Right, we are back in Vegas, Treasure Island right behind us. If you've been watching the previous day videos, you can probably guess where we're off. Yep, the Apple Store to upload another couple of videos to keep you guys entertained. So, Vegas today, we are 2:43 p.m. and it's even stinking hot more. It's 108. Stay with us and we're going to head for a few more hotels and see what's going on in Vegas for you today. I learned quite a lot from the museum this morning at Red Rock Canyon. It gets breezy in the afternoon, so obviously the air goes up the mountains and drops down in the afternoon, so that's why. Still can't believe the mirage. Look at Glynn having another nose at the demolition of the mirage. Nosy bugger. Oh, it's just so hot. But we're in Vegas. Viva Las Vegas. And look at Glynn. Capturing moments, creating memories. That's what we do on our channel. And he's certainly doing that today for you guys for the 34 years of the mirage. And he's still having a nose. A lot busier than the last few nights. The colour of the sky is amazing. The colours look really good on, I've got the iPhone on at the moment and the colours look pretty remarkable there. How awesome is this? I'm going to miss Vegas, but we've still got the evening to enjoy these fabulous sights. We are now outside the Apple Store at Caesar's Palace and we're uploading the videos. And it's zooming up here at that. And while we're loading the videos, I've got plenty of options to people watch and see what's going on in Vegas today. Right then. Another look around our final night in Vegas. And there's some lovely fish in the aquarium. Imagine having those in your back garden pond. It's a wonderful place. Just look at all the paintings all around there. Wow. And we've now got the sun setting at the Forum Shops. How wonderful does that look? Well, I surely hope you've enjoyed these fabulous videos from Viva Las Vegas. We're going to head for our final time now out to the Forum Shops. Probably for a Mackey's ice cream, Denny's for tea, check out the Wynn, and hopefully end up at the Bellagio fountain. Yep, it's Mackie D's time. And total is $3.45 for 2 ice cream cones. Tonight we have these beautiful flags up here at the Venetian. And that looks wonderful. So glad we've managed to see them put the flags up. Look at that, really nice. And we've got a gondolier doing a bit of a song, you know. And this gondolier is actually singing as well. And the Love Waterfall. And again, if you remember from the previous video, that is what we designed our pond on. And here we go, we've got this is actually a gondola lady. Well, we're definitely leaving Vegas on a very, very busy night. We're going to leave you with that shot, which is our last memory of the Bellagio. Sorry, not the Bellagio. What am I talking about? The Venetian 2024. Check this out. Treasure Island tonight. Really, really busy. Everyone lining up to get into the shows.